Did you know that adding cloves to your Moringa water can unlock incredible health benefits? I'm going to tell you all about this powerful combination of two remarkable ingredients, and I'll even tell you how to prepare it the right way in the right amount. Most people drink Moringa water for its nutrients without a second thought, and most people use cloves only in cooking or tea. But what happens when you combine them? You're going to love this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your morning glass of water the same way again. Before we get into the benefits, let's talk about what Moringa and cloves actually are. Moringa is often called a superfood, but it's much more than just a trend. It's a nutrient-dense plant that has been valued in traditional medicine for generations. Cloves, on the other hand, are far more than just a kitchen spice. They're one of nature's richest sources of eugenol, a compound long recognized for its powerful properties. Individually, they're impressive. Together, they may offer a surprising range of health benefits backed by science. Let's break it down, starting with benefit number 1. Support the immune system. Cloves and Moringa have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their powerful nutritional properties. Together, they contain natural plant compounds that may help strengthen the body's immune defenses against everyday illness. This combination supports white blood cell activity, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Moringa also provides a solid amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune cell function. With regular use, this drink may gradually contribute to a stronger, more resilient immune system over time. Benefit number 2, digestive health. Cloves have long been valued in kitchens worldwide for easing stomach discomfort and various digestive issues. When combined with Moringa, this water may help stimulate digestive enzymes and support much smoother digestion overall. It may also help reduce bloating and gas by gently relaxing the digestive tract muscles. Moringa also adds dietary fiber, which supports healthy bowel movements and encourages a balanced gut environment. Over time, this natural combination could help maintain a healthier, more comfortable digestive system for daily living. Benefit number 3, anti-inflammatory support. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound often studied for its strong anti-inflammatory properties in early research. When paired with Moringa and its anti-inflammatory plant compounds, this drink may support the body's natural response. This may help ease minor swelling and discomfort linked to everyday inflammation in the body. Moringa also contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress within the whole body. With consistent daily intake, this combination may gradually support joint comfort and better long-term inflammatory balance overall. Benefit number 4, blood sugar support. Moringa has traditionally been used to support healthy blood sugar levels in many different cultures worldwide. Cloves may also help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use glucose much more efficiently overall. Together, they may help slow down sugar absorption and reduce sudden blood sugar spikes daily. Moringa also provides chromium and polyphenol, nutrients closely associated with better glucose metabolism and healthy regulation. Over time, this natural drink may support more stable energy levels and better long-term metabolic health overall. Benefit number 5, antioxidant and cellular protection. Cloves rank among the richest natural sources of antioxidants, according to several published nutritional studies today. Moringa complements this by offering additional antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from everyday oxidative damage naturally. This added protection may help slow down cellular aging caused by daily oxidative stress exposure. Together, these antioxidants may support healthier skin and help reduce many visible signs of premature aging. With regular use, this combination may gradually contribute to better cellular health and stronger long-term protection overall. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried cloves or Moringa before? If you have, did you notice a change in your body? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your experiences. Benefit number 6, oral health. Cloves have long been used in dental care for generations due to their natural antibacterial properties. When mixed with Moringa water, cloves may help fight the bacteria that often contribute to bad breath. This combination may also help soothe minor gum irritation and support better oral comfort daily. Moringa also contributes calcium and phosphorus, minerals well known to support strong teeth and healthy gums. Over time, drinking this water naturally may support fresher breath and much better overall long-term oral hygiene. Benefit number 7, heart health. Cloves and Moringa are both closely linked to heart-supportive properties in traditional and modern nutrition studies. Moringa contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and support a healthy heart rhythm naturally. Cloves may also help reduce cholesterol levels, supporting smoother blood flow throughout the whole body. This combination may support healthy blood vessels, gradually reducing strain on the cardiovascular system over time. With consistent daily intake, this drink may contribute to a stronger, healthier heart over the long run. Benefit number 8, natural detox support. Moringa has traditionally been described as a nutrient-dense plant that supports the body's natural detox process. Cloves may also help support liver function by helping neutralize toxins that accumulate through daily food intake. Together, they may help support smoother digestion and much more efficient elimination of bodily waste. Moringa also provides chlorophyll-rich plant compounds, believed to support the body's natural cleansing processes gently overall. Over time, this natural combination may support a cleaner internal system and improved overall energy and well-being. Benefit number 9, weight management support. Moringa is often included in balanced diets because of its naturally rich vitamin and mineral content. Cloves may also help support metabolism, allowing the body to use energy more efficiently throughout the day. This combination may help reduce unnecessary snacking by gently supporting a longer feeling of fullness. Moringa's natural fiber content also supports healthy digestion, which plays an important role in weight management. With balanced daily habits, this drink may support gradual, sustainable progress toward healthier long-term weight goals overall. Benefit number 10, skin and hair health. Moringa is naturally rich in vitamins A and E, both essential for healthy skin and hair. Cloves contribute antioxidant and antibacterial properties that may help protect the skin from everyday environmental damage naturally. This combination may also gently help support clearer skin and reduce minor irritation over time. Moringa also supports scalp health naturally, which may encourage stronger, shinier, and healthier-looking hair growth overall. With regular use, this natural combination may support glowing skin and healthier hair over the long term. Viewers, are you ready to add this to your routine? Here is the easiest way to make it. Take a glass of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves along with 1 teaspoon of moringa powder or a few fresh moringa leaves. Let it soak overnight or boil it for 5 minutes for a quicker version. Strain if needed, then drink it warm on an empty stomach in the morning. That's it, just 2 ingredients and a few minutes of prep for a powerful daily habit. So there you have it, 10 reasons why cloves and moringa water might be worth adding to your daily routine. As always, consistency matters more than intensity, so a small daily habit like this may add up to real long-term benefits. If this video gave you something valuable, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video packed with natural health insights like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay happy and stay healthy.